Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and entering recovery mode. This clears barriers quickly. Ensure battery is above 50% and any accessible backup is safe, because factory actions may erase data. Power off the phone, then hold volume down and power together until recovery appears. Some Oppo models use volume up plus power instead, so try that if nothing happens. Once recovery loads, navigate with volume keys and select the option to perform a factory reset or wipe data using the power key. Next, you perform the actual reset to remove the password and clear user data. This is what removes the lock screen credentials. In recovery, choose wipe data or factory reset and confirm with the power key. Be deliberate, because this deletes all user files and accounts. If there's an option for a secure or advanced wipe, use it to clear caches too. Wait until the progress completes and the system reports success. Then return to the main recovery menu to reboot the phone cleanly. Finally, you reboot and complete setup. This is where you restore functionality and verify success. Choose Reboot System now, then follow the initial setup prompts to connect to Wi-Fi and add accounts. If the device asks for the original Google or Oppo account, enter credentials. This protects the phone from unauthorized resets. If you encounter an activation lock, use account recovery or the registered email to regain access. If that fails, contact Oppo support with proof of purchase for further help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.